Hello and welcome to a video from filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I'm Chris with a K. Today we're going to be installing the Xmen mod for the original Quake, which is a great little mod where you can fight against clones of the X-Men, or if you play in multiplayer mode, you can be one of the X-Men. This was a project back in the day, back in the 90s, that a fan was starting to work on, I believe, and then it got such... people noticed it, and he eventually got signed on to actually make it as an official mod for a company. And a few years back, I actually did look the guy up, and I sent him an email telling him how much I enjoy the game, and he seemed very appreciative of that. I believe he lives in Australia and works for a graphic design company, but I'm going off stuff I remember from years ago, so some of what I just said may not be 100% accurate, but I'm pretty sure it is. Anyway, from here, we're going to go on my website, Software, and we're going to click Notes. And then in here, we're going to type in Quake, and we're going to choose Install Xmen Quake on Linux. Now, you do need original Quake for this, the original game, because this is a mod for that. So the original Quake is free and open source, but you do need the asset file, so you either need original CD or know a place to where you can legally download it offline. Today we're just going to copy and paste this. Again, anytime you're going to copy and paste code from online, look through it. We're going to walk through it here. I'm going to paste that in there, and while that's running, we're going to look at what's happening here. We're going to install Quake from our package manager. I'm on a Debian-based system. This is set up for a Debian-based system. Then we're going to download the original Quake and unzip it. Then we're going to install it to a system folder. Then we're going to download the Quake mod. We're going to download it and unzip it. Then we're going to go into a directory where the PAK files, the pack files are. Make sure they're all lowercase. Copy them to a system. Then we're going to create a script, a shortcut script that runs it called Xmen Q. And then anytime we want to run the game, we should be able to run Xmen Q. But once this is all done downloading and unzipping, it should just run. There we go. Now, of course, once you're loaded up in the game, you can go down to options, make it full screen, set up your key bindings and whatnot. But again, once you have it installed, my little commands there should have created an Xmen Q command. So anytime you want to run this, you just type in Xmen Q and the game should start up. And that's how quick and simple it is to install not only Quake, but the mod of the X-Men Apocalypse from 1997 mod. So anyway, it is a great little mod. It was rushed at the end because they wanted to get it out by Christmas like most games. Again, I'm going off memory from years ago. And I do know I did play this multiplayer with someone a couple of years ago, and there were some glitches where I would be able to go to a part of the level and a door would close behind me, and my partner would get stuck behind me until I finished the level. So there are little quirks in it like that where, especially multiplayer, you can get stuck. But overall, it is a fun, well-designed. You get to start off in the X-Men mansion and walk around, and you go all different places like Egypt and whatnot. If you like Quake, you like X-Men, you like first-person shooters, this is quick and simple. Again, it probably took 30 seconds to a minute to get everything set up, and you don't need anything special like Steam or anything ridiculous like that. You just install the original Quake files, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and as always, please visit my website, filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I hope that you have a great day.